Chapter 15. A Dental Appointment. The boy is waiting at the dentist's office. He has toothache. He presses his teeth with his hand. He can't bear it, so he cries out. He looks at his watch. He calls the doctor. A beautiful receptionist appears in the window. She takes him into the room. She asks him to sit in the armchair. The doctor comes into the room. She asks him, "What's the matter?" The boy explains to the doctor, "He has toothache. He can't eat any food. He can't play with his friends." He lies down. The doctor asks him to open his mouth wide. The doctor examines his teeth with the instruments. The doctor pulls out some teeth. The boy clenches his fist. The doctor gaps and fills some teeth. While the doctor is curing, the boy is thinking about his toys and food.